Welcome back for language, week 14. It is day 4, and we are continuing to work on subject-verb agreement. We have a reading passage, so I'm going to zoom in first so we can read this a little better. And then after we read this, we are going to work on finding and fixing 5 errors in subject-verb agreement, okay? The paragraph below contains 5 errors in subject-verb agreement. Find and underline them, then correct them on the lines below. So I'm going to underline these with some red this time, okay? So there's 5 errors, and then we're going to first write them on the top line and then correct them on the lines below. Or you can just write the corrected form. All right, so Sammy and Tamara look at each other, nod, and head outside. Right away, the rain begins soaking through to their bones. Why are we doing this again? Sammy asks. She have to yell over the loud wind. She have to yell over the loud wind. Because we promised, Tamara tried to yell back. What? Says Sammy. Can you speak louder? The girls laughs. And then their umbrellas snaps closed from a sudden gust. Maybe we should wait this out inside, Tamara says. They run back and stays by the window to watch the storm. An hour later, with the sun shining, they again try to bring their grandmother a basket full of food. All right, sorry. That was quite a mouthful, and you'll notice I kind of tripped over that because when you get used to subject-verb agreement and then it's incorrect, sometimes you try to fix those mistakes. So if that's any encouragement to you, the more you practice, the easier it becomes, and then you start to fix things when they're not correct, okay? So, grabbing my red pen, I'm now going to go and underline the errors in subject-verb agreement, okay? So I'm going to first kind of scan, and the first one says, Sammy, why are we doing this again? It's a previous sentence. Sammy asked, she have to yell. Okay, she have to yell. That one's definitely not correct, so I'm going to underline. She have to yell. Okay, and then the next one, because we promised, Tamara tried to yell back. That's definitely not right. I think I tried to correct that one. Next one, can you speak louder? The girls laughs. That's just kind of hard to say. So the girls laughs. Okay, and then their umbrellas snaps. Again, that one's just clumsy to say. Umbrellas snaps. And then last one, number 5, they run back and stays by the window. Run back and stays by the window. Okay, now I'm going to use a regular pen, and I'm actually going to write on the top line the incorrect, and then we're going to correct it. That way I can kind of visually see it, okay? So the first one is she have to yell. She have to yell over the loud wind. Whoops, I forgot to separate my words. The loud wind, okay? So we want to change our subject-verb agreement. So here's when you can pause the video and practice what you've learned and then write the corrected form or think about the corrected form and then play the video and we'll fix it together. Okay? So she have to yell. We're going to change that to she has to yell over the loud wind. So again, the incorrect subject-verb agreement on the top, she have to yell. Corrected, she has to yell. Okay? All right, number 2 is Tamara tried to yell back. Because we promised, Tamara tried to yell back. Kind of a longer sentence this time. Okay, because and I'm going to get my quotation marks. Okay, so where is our incorrect verb? Tamara tried to yell back. Okay, we definitely want to change that. We're going to change that to Tamara tries to yell back. So I'm gonna add the beginning because we promised. Tamara tries to yell back, okay? So again, you might practice reading out loud the incorrect and the correct form. Tamara tried to yell, or does she tries? Tamara tries to yell. She doesn't tries. Tamara tries to yell back, okay? And number 3, the girls laughs. The girls laughs. Again, you can pause the video to correct this. I'm so glad we get to correct this one. The girls. Do they laughs? They just laugh. The girls laugh. Corrected. Much better. Okay, number 4. And then their umbrellas snaps. And then the rest of the sentence. I ran out of room. So we're just going to look at the subject verb here. And then their umbrellas snaps. How would I fix that? Again, you can pause the video. So I'm going to change that to their umbrellas snap. So the full sentence. And then their umbrellas snap closed from a sudden gust. That would be the completed sentence. All right, and then last one, number 5. They run back and stays by the window. So they run back and stays by the window. So this is a phrase. It's not the complete sentence, okay? Stays by the window. Okay, so this is going to stay the same. They run back and stay, much better, by the window. And again, practice that subject-verb agreement. So incorrect, stays by the window. Corrected, stay by the window. Sounds much better, right?